This is a 2-tier wedding cake. So this will be my second one in about 3-4 weeks. This one, I just absolutely love this colour combination. The pale blue and the whites and the creams are just so stunning. So I've got an 8-inch base tier, and then on top's a 6-inch. Pretty tall tiers. I like going tall. I think it just gives the overall look a more sophisticated, grand look. So the bottom's iced along with the top. They're both exactly the same. So both Victoria sponge with jam and vanilla buttercream. And then I've iced with fondant icing in white. And then the little paint splashes, these little sort of arty-farty bits. I've just mixed some white chocolate ganache and put some whitener in it, and then mixed some with some blue in it, and then just sort of done these little random brush strokes. They look like brush strokes, but I actually used a little offset spatula to do that because it gives a nice sort of clean stripe, if you like. And then just added 1 or 2 little sugar pearls just round the bottom, just every now and again, not very many. Look, there's one there, some around the back, and then again I've repeated that design, just 1 or 2 little sugar pearls that just make it, I don't know, it just finishes it off beautifully. And then we've got these, let me just move this chair, sorry. And then we've got some artificial flowers on top. I must learn how to make sugar flowers. I mean, I can do a rose, I can do a basic rose, but that's as far as my talents go at the minute. So I think that'll be my next venture, learning how to do sugar roses. So we've got some little sort of artificial gypsophilia, and then some long grass, and it all just ties in absolutely beautifully with this colour scheme. The baby blues, the whites, it's just so crisp, and it just screams wedding, doesn't it? Sorry, that's my phone. Just screams wedding, doesn't it? It's absolutely stunning. I love it. Really, really, really love this one. And quite a simple design in terms of sort of technicability. Is that a word? Just the clean, sharp edges that you stress over, or I do, because there's not much there's not much room to hide if you sort of mess up on this cake. The edges have got to be sharp, the bottom's got to be sharp, but it's just practice, 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 and believe in yourself. And if you mess up, do it again. You know, it can be stripped, it can be done again. Just practice, practice, practice. So there we are. That's 2-tier wedding cake that's going out today. Love it. Really, really love it. Hope you like it.